Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market today. In this video, we're diving into the Aromatech Santal Fragrance Essential Oils for Aroma Oil Scent Diffusers. If you're looking for a way to transform the atmosphere in your home or office, this might just be the perfect solution. Let's talk about why this is considered the best Aromatech Santal Escape. When you first open the bottle, you're immediately greeted by a deep, warm, and luxurious scent. The Santal fragrance offers an incredible blend of aromatic richness, evoking a sense of sophistication that can truly elevate any environment. Whether you're hosting guests, relaxing after a long day, or just creating a calm ambiance, this scent is versatile enough to suit any occasion. It's created using a combination of pure aroma oils and essential oils, ensuring you get a clean, natural fragrance without any harmful additives. One of the standout features of the Aromatech Santal fragrance oil is its high-quality composition. It's crafted with non-GMO, vegan-friendly ingredients, making it an excellent choice for those conscious about what's in their products. Plus, there are no parabens, phthalate, glycols, or synthetic chemicals, which means it's safe for your home, family, and pets. This blend not only smells amazing but offers peace of mind knowing that you're using a product that's as pure as it is effective. The Aromatech Santal fragrance oil is designed for use in cold air or ultrasonic diffusers. The blend is crafted to release a long-lasting fragrance that fills the room evenly. You don't have to worry about the scent dissipating quickly. This oil is formulated to last, ensuring that you enjoy its beautiful notes for hours on end. Packaging is also something worth mentioning. The 0.33 fluid ounces bottle comes in a convenient pack of 2. So you'll have plenty of oil to last through your daily diffuser use. It's compact and easy to store, ensuring that it doesn't take up unnecessary space on your shelf. The size is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy the benefits of high-quality fragrance oils without committing to a larger quantity. The Aromatech Santal Fragrance Essential Oil is ideal for all seasons. Its deep and warm scent creates a cozy atmosphere in the winter months, while its richness complements the fresh air of spring and fall. It's a fragrance that works year-round, making it a versatile addition to any space. Whether you're using it at home or in a professional setting, it helps to create a luxury hotel-inspired vibe that's perfect for unwinding. Now, if you're a fan of high-end aromatherapy oils, the Aromatech Santal Fragrance Essential Oil is a must-try. It's perfect for those who love sophisticated scents that linger without being overpowering. This oil has become a favorite of many, and it's easy to see why. It's the perfect balance of luxury and relaxation. So, if you're in the market for a new way to freshen up your space and create an atmosphere of calm and luxury, be sure to check out the Aromatech Santal Fragrance Essential Oil. It's a simple, yet powerful way to improve the ambiance of any room. You can find this product on Amazon and get started on your journey to a more aromatic, soothing environment today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews from Product Critique. Until next time.